Kaunti ya Bomet umuthi ni yandikithia murwaru wa mbere wa murimu wa COVID-19, murimu uyu ukionekana guthie na mbere na gutamba guku bururi-ini ugikinyaniria kaunti 20 iri hutitio ni murimu uyu.
Good afternoon.
Akenya ni moritio guthie na mbere na kwihuga kumana na kunyitwo ni murimu uyu wa COVID-19 amu murimu uyu ni guthie na mbere na gucungirira ikuo cia andu aingi. Umuthi andu ana atatu kuma guku kaunti ya Nairobi na umwe kuma kaunti ya Mombasa magikua guku andu 22 makionekana na murimu uyu, namba ikirugamira 737.
Of the samples tested today, 22 have tested positive for coronavirus. 21 of these are Kenyans and one is a Uganda national. It always pains to announce a death, but this pandemic will claim lives. I sadly announce that today we have lost 4 patients to COVID-19.
Matereba marori cia thabari ya 25 kuma bururi-ini wa Tanzania na aria marari na matanya ma kuingira guku bururi-ini ni monekanite na murimu uyu, na beno ari kionereria kiiganu ati mihaka yaga gukorwo ari ndaraca ya gutambia murimu wa COVID-19. Mutafariri wa mihango ministry ya ugima wa mwiri Rashid Aman akiuga ni gugukorwo na laboratory 2, imwe igukorwo mwena wa Namanga niguo guteithiriria guthima andu aria othe maraingira guku bururi-ini kuma bururi-ini wa Tanzania.
Be receiving a mobile laboratory from across the border, courtesy of the East African Community, a program within the East African Community that aims at improving disease surveillance within the member states.
Beo jithi ni maruteirwo mukana ni thirikari wa kwaga gukungiria wara a Kenya, guku akiuga kuma mutaratara wa utheru wa mbererio beo jithi aingi kuma icigo-ini itiganite ni mateithiririe hanene hari gutigirira mubango uyu ni wagacira.
I want to appeal to them to respect the original intention of the program and to remind them that this is not only unacceptable, but it is also unlawful to demand money, and that they should refrain from such practices. I want to appeal to this youth that each and every one of us must put our right foot forward, and we must do what we can to contribute to this fight.
Mabururi 188 thĩ ng'ima nimo mahutĩtwo nĩ mũrimũ ũyũ. Bururi wa Amerika ũgĩtongoria na namba ya andũ arĩa marĩ na mũrimũ ũyũ arĩ andũ makĩria ma milioni 1. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjirũ wa Boro.